welcome on my YouTube channel. I am Chandmya sir. Before start the study today, subscribe my channel because if you subscribe my channel, every video's notification will come in your mobile, and you know about my lecture, and you can get knowledge about many things like as a special in biology. You are seeing this type of structure when two people fell in love, a male or female, and they try to this type of structure that is called दिल. न जाने कहाँ खो गया. Love pupil. Love pupil. Make in hand or copies and letters. Try make this. Made it. But I am not learning you about the love here. I am be serious now. I am learning you about the real position of heart. This real heart type. This structure is real heart type. I try to make to it waste. What is heart? Heart is a muscular organ. Heart is a muscular organ. Organ muscular organ. Two sides. B divided it have two sides. We can say it have two sides. This side is right side and this side is left side of it. If we divide our heart, this side is left side, this side is right side. Are you understanding? This side is right side and that side is of the heart is called left side. Heart have two sides. Two sides. What side is right side and second side is left side. If we divide the heart this by this line, our heart divide middle and by this line. Upper part of heart, upper part of heart is called atrium. Upper part of heart is called atrium. This part of heart is called atrium. We can say we see this part of heart is called upper part of atrium. This part is atrium. Clear? And we also divide this left atrium. Left atrium and this part is right atrium. Okay, clear concept. This side of upper part is called right atrium and that side of upper part of heart is called left atrium. Okay, we can say the heart have four chambers. It has how many chambers? Four chambers. Yes, that is clear. This side is right, this side, and one is atrium. Okay, and this part of lower part of heart of right side, it means I am saying right side's lower part of heart is called ventricle. We can say one right ventricle and one atrium. One right ventrium, oh sorry, one right atrium, one upper part of the heart is the right side is called one right atrium, and lower part of the heart is called right side, right ventricle. This is right atrium and this is right ventricle. I have told you two sides of the heart because these are one of them is one right side and other is left side. It other is left side. One is right side and separated by muscular wall. Muscular wall, no present any bone in this heart. In heart, no any bone like this structure as a femur in our leg and also in our wrist, and structure covered by inside our structure covered is bones, many kinds of bones. Okay, what in the heart organ of our body there is no any bone, haddi it means, and it's separated by muscular wall. Muscular, not anything. Muscular, you know. Musculars, what you are think? You have know very well, I think. It have 4 chambers. This heart is, it have 4 chambers. One is right atrium and this is left atrium, this is right ventricle, and this part is of the heart is left ventricle. Right atrium, RM is right atrium, R for right, ATRIUM, right atrium, and this is left atrium, left ATRIUM, left, and this is right ventricle, V for ventricle, right VENTRICLE, right ventricle, and this is left ventricle. Are you seeing this? Left ventricle. This, it is the structure of the heart. And what are the parts of it? I have told you. Now I am telling you about the blood transportation. How is process? You are watching this structure. This is vena cava. What is this is vena cava? Vena cava. Why vena cava deoxygenated? Deoxygenated blood of upper part of man. Deoxygenated blood comes from come from upper part of body. Upper part of body's blood. Body's which type blood? Deoxygenated blood came by this artery, vena cava, and presented in right atrium. Came blood, and next is lower vena cava, upper vena cava, and lower. Lower vena cava. Lower vena cava, it is also this. Lower parts body's blood. Which type blood? Deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood come from lower part of our body. Deoxygenated blood come from lower part of our body by this vena cava. By this vena cava. In right atrium, two vena cava. Lower vena cava and upper vena cava. By upper vena cava came deoxygenated blood from upper part of our body. Upper part of our body. It means upper body. Upper bodies come deoxygenated blood. And by lower parts of our body, which type blood came? Deoxygenated blood came from lower part of our body by this vena cava. That is clear. I am showing deoxygenated blood by this blue. Why this blue? Are you seeing? Blue is deoxygenated blood. Okay, are you understanding? This blue is, it means CO2. CO2 mix up in blood, so that type blood is called deoxygenated blood. ऐसा ब्लड जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिक्स, CO2 मीन्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड plus blood, that is called deoxygenated blood. Are you understanding? When entered in right atrium, deoxygenated blood and our heart expands. Our heart expands. Expands means फैलता है. Then by this valve the blood came in right ventricle. Now deoxygenated blood plus CO2. Blood plus CO2. We can say deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood comes from body, comes from body, comes from, comes from body. You are looking this structure like as our body. Deoxygenated blood come from body by in this vena cava in right atrium. Are you understanding? I am saying deoxygenated blood comes from body in right atrium through arteries. Which arteries? Vena cava. By vena cava. Now the heart part, lower part, ventricle part concentrate. First expands. Expands means full time. Now why this walls, this enter blood in right ventricle. Right. Now from blood कहाँ से आ रहा है? Blood is coming from right atrium to right ventricle. Now our heart expands. Then be deoxygenated blood comes from, कहाँ से आ रहा है? comes from right atrium. Right atrium. Okay, clear? Now then our heart concentration means सिकुड़ता है. Through this arteries came out. Then right ventricle part, right ventricle part of, this is ventricle part of heart, get deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood reach in right atrium and right ventricle. When it concentration, the heart pumps blood to lungs. Then right ventricle part of right ventricle now from right atrium blood comes to right ventricle. Blood comes from atrium to ventricle. Blood comes from atrium and to right ventricle, from right atrium to right, from right atrium to right ventricle. Then deoxygenated, get deoxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, where? To right ventricle. Okay. Then right ventricle part of heart get the deoxygenated blood. Now our heart pumps deoxygenated. Which type? Deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood to lungs. Now our blood comes from body to right atrium to reach in right ventricle, from right ventricle to reach in lungs. Drop their CO2 and carry oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood from lungs. When the pumps blood by our heart, so deoxygenated blood came out. When the heart is pumped, so deoxygenated blood, carbon dioxide blood came out by this pulmonary artery. Pulmonary, pulmonary artery. By this artery came out our deoxygenated blood, where reach in lungs. These are our lungs. Okay, lungs. Here drop where it drop carbon dioxide in lungs. We can say why this pulmonary artery, then deoxygenated blood comes in lungs. Do you know lungs? These are lungs. Lungs just side, not upper side of earth. Deoxygenated blood comes in lungs from where carry oxygen. Our blood. From means lungs. From lungs. From lungs carry oxygen our blood. Now with oxygen our blood is oxygenated. Our blood, because in blood mix up by the lungs oxygen, so that is it's oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood come by this pulmonary vein. I am showing oxygenated blood by black hatting. I am showing oxygenated blood. Camps. Oh, sorry. In left ventricle. Oxygenated blood comes in left atrium. Oxygenated blood comes in left atrium. After atrium is reached in left ventricle. Now after pulmonary vein, this is pulmonary veins. We can say you can sing pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins. You can see a structure of our heart. Okay. By pulmonary enters the blood. By pulmonary enters the blood, where in left atrium. In left atrium. Left atrium. Now with oxygen, the oxygenated blood comes in left atrium. After left atrium reach in left ventricle. Left ventricle is reached in left ventricle, and our heart pumps oxygenated blood. When is reached oxygenated blood in left ventricle, reach in left ventricle. Now our heart pumps pumps oxygenated blood by aorta. Oxygenated blood by aorta. Where is arteries mean aorta? By this aorta. This is called aorta. Aorta. O-R-T-A. Oh, sorry. O-A-O-R-T-A. Aorta. Aorta के जरिए कम आउट हो जाता है हमारा टू बॉडी. Aorta, oxygenated blood aorta come out from heart to every cell of our body. That is called blood transportation. T-A-T-I-O-N. Transportation. Okay, thanks. I have told you by this diagram and theory and this some given the example how works our heart. You know that our heart first get in right atrium deoxygenated blood, and when our heart expands, then in right ventricle comes deoxygenated blood. Then our heart concentrated means concentrated. Our blood came out through the pulmonary artery and reached to lungs, and there carbon dioxide drops in lungs and carry our blood oxygen. So now our blood change into oxygenated from deoxygenated. Now the form of blood has changed, and what carried it? Carried it oxygen. Why with with oxygenated blood uh, enters in left atrium through the pulmonary veins, came out pulmonary arteries, but enters in pulmonary veins, okay, and reach in left ventricle. Our heart pumps and then reach in where reach in lungs, and this system of blood circulation going on and be alive and get energy. So we can say that is a very important part, heart of our body. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, be happy.